Eating wacky track. Jimmy, what's your offer this mochi? I don't know if this is a mochi. Because I really want like my wacky track. I will add this puppet. Guys, I really want that puppet. Maybe I should scam her. But you're under. Sorry. I'm sorry. I will add some more. I will add this simple dimple. Isn't that enough? I really want mask. I really want that rocket track. I really like my rocket track. Can you please add a little bit more? Like a little bit. Fine. I will add this bread mochis. I will find the other one. Okay, these are the mochi. Whoa, isn't that legendary? Yeah. And you just got it from me. And I know I'm under. I will add this pear mochi or squishy. I don't know what it's called. And this donut mochi. And I'll add my magnetic balls. And maybe you should add also. Guys, she's overpaying. I have to give her something. When you look at her. Look at that. Okay, I will add it now. I will add this other wacky track. And I will squish it a little bit. Well, that's my newest one. And this mochi. And the slime squishy. And this cat's mochi. And this green bear squishy or mochi. And these, I don't, this is a paw. It's like what do you call that? That's like a squishy two in a mochi, like at the same time. And wait, can I say goodbye to them? Okay, my wacky track. Bye. Go. Yes, my collection is complete. Great, I don't have any more Fidget. This is my only Fidget. I will just scam her because I really need my Fidget because I really don't like that wacky tracks. Because I really like the wacky track. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.